Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea premix at home. Making your own tea premix is a fantastic way to enjoy a quick, delicious cup anytime. You'll need just a few key ingredients to get started. We'll combine instant tea powder, milk powder, and sugar as our base. For an extra kick, you can also include aromatic spices like ground ginger, cardamom, or a pinch of cinnamon. This simple preparation saves you time and ensures a consistent, delightful tea experience. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. Start by accurately measuring 1 cup of your preferred instant tea powder. Next, add 2 full cups of milk powder, which will give your tea a creamy texture. Then, incorporate 1½ cups of granulated sugar to achieve the perfect sweetness. For a classic flavor, include 1 teaspoon of finely ground cardamom. If you enjoy a bit of warmth, ½ a teaspoon of ginger powder is a wonderful addition. Once all your dry ingredients are measured, it's time to combine them. Use a large, clean bowl and mix everything thoroughly. You want to ensure there are absolutely no lumps and that the mixture is completely uniform. This step is crucial for consistent flavor in every cup. After mixing, transfer your homemade tea premix into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness for up to 3 months. Using your freshly made tea premix is incredibly simple. For a standard cup, just add 2 to 3 teaspoons of the premix into your favorite mug. Then, pour 1 full cup of hot, almost boiling water over the mixture. Stir it well until all the powder is completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth and delicious beverage. You can easily adjust the amount of premix to suit your personal preference for strength and sweetness. Enjoy your perfect cup of tea in moments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.